So it is May 16th, 2013, and the kids stayed the night last night. There's Max. There's Mia. We're gonna take Max to school right now. He's still sleepy. Right? You excited about school today? How about you, Mia? Are you excited about school? Awesome. So we're gonna take Max to school first, and then off to Oregon to take Mia to school. So see you in a little bit at Max's school. And we are at Max's school. Have a good day, Max. Give me a hug. Hug. How about your sister?
Oh yeah.
Hug.
Yeah.
Awesome. Have a good day at school. Whoa. Go ahead and go out that way.
What?
Go ahead and go out. Remember, you have to push.
Weak.
Let me see. Hold up. Let it go. Try it now. Push. There you go. And slam the door hard, okay? Awesome. Have a good day. Bye. There goes Max to school. So I got Mia right here. And we got to take Mia to school, but we're going to stop by Walmart real quick. Because, let me help you. We got to get something at Walmart real quick before we take her to school. So, I'm going to run inside, and then you will see us heading on over to Mia's preschool. Right? You excited? Awesome. Yeah. Well, we're headed off to Mia's school. We're almost there, huh, Mia? Got some farmer up here. So I'm gonna have to.
But we can't go to school because the farmer's in his tractor.
Yeah, the farmer's in the tractor. I gotta make sure I can pass him. Looks like I can. And here we go. Awesome. And here we are at Mia's preschool. Gonna drop her off. We're at your school, Mia. Are you excited now? No, now you're not. Well, Mommy's gonna pick you up, but we had a fun time last night, didn't we? Yeah. Anyway. Well, I am off of work. It's only 3:30, but I got off of work a little early. So headed home right now, get out of my work clothes, and then I'm gonna go visit Alicia. So it's been a pretty good day so far. I will not be able to see Max and Mia until Tuesday. But you know, the days fly by fast nowadays, so doesn't mean they're not with me in my heart or in spirit. So but we'll see them again on Tuesday. But for now, we are going to go see Alicia. So headed on over there. Like I said, first I'm gonna go home and change, and then we'll go enjoy the rest of the day since it's still nice. After my visit with Alicia, I'm also gonna go for my walk. We'll do 3 miles today. Got her a Slurpee. Hey you. What are you doing? You talk to strangers? Are you talking to strangers again? What you been doing today? No? You're not gonna talk today? Have you been playing? Watching TV? Yeah, what you been watching? SpongeBob? What is this? What is this?
Sure.
I'm not.
Oh, why are you doing like that?
Because it's a video.
I want to play with you.
Okay, play.
I'm going upstairs and watch the washing. You can't come. You stay
I
here.
have to stay here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to do all myself.
You're a big girl.
Myself.
What about me?
And you can't. I'm going to do the dryer all by
So here I am for my walk. Got some birds here that are fighting or something. Would that be considered cockfighting right there? They're birds, right? Chickens, whatever those things are. Guess you could call that cockfighting. Oh, they're really getting down. Oh, there he goes. Looks like that one right there is the bully. Well, it's about as exciting as it got. Bird fight. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for encouraging some cockfighting. But here we are, a very nice day. I just barely got started. Gonna do my walk. I'm gonna take 2 laps today. That should be about 3 miles, or pretty close to 3 miles. About 2.8 miles. So, gonna go ahead and do 2 laps around the cemetery today. Very nice day. Sun is still out, but it's not too hot either. So it's just a perfect day for a walk. It's about 5:45 right now. So I should be done in about an hour or so. I'm gonna try to stretch it out till 7. But at the same time, keep a good pace. A lot of pine cones. If you like pine cones, this is a place to come and collect. I know Mia loves pine cones for some reason. Got a bunch over here again. Gotta watch out though, you can trip on these. Well, just finishing up the first lap. See how long that took me. (6:16). Okay, so that took me 33 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the second lap, and then I'll be done. You can hear a lot of owls out in the trees. These trees are filled with owls. I shouldn't say filled, but there's a lot of owls out there and you can hear them. So as long as they're not nesting, I don't have to worry about them attacking. View of the area. What would it be like to live right next to a cemetery? It's pretty nice here though. Anyway, I'm gonna finish up my second lap. Alright, I am done. So I did 3 miles. And let's see what time it is. It's 6:45. I started walking at 5:43. So 1 hour and 2 minutes to walk 3 miles. It's kind of slow, but for me, it's not too bad. I'm just getting started on this. 2 weeks in, so I'll start. I'll get a little faster. I don't go too fast. I don't go too slow. I just have the perfect walk for myself. So anyway, I almost feel like doing another one, but I'm not going to overdo it. But that just means that I'm getting pretty ready for the 3. So before long, I'll be doing 5 again. headed home. All right, Max, Mia, and Alicia. This is what Daddy did today. And I'll see Alicia again on Sunday, and I'll see Max and Mia again on Tuesday. But this is what Daddy's up to. You did get to make some small cameos today. I got to see all three of you today. So I just made some small cameos in today's small town adventures. But you know what? Great times, right? So this is what Daddy was up to. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye. And I'm headed home. Goodbye.